better through my car windshield than I do looking out. Probably can't see it on the camera, can you?
Not really. Oh yeah, I see it moving now.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I can see it. Man, if I had sunglasses, you could see a lot. Ooh, now it's really funnel.
I can't really tell if I'm getting it.
May I ought to step out. Wow. Must be pretty big if you can see it from all the way right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it's definitely touching the ground though. You can see it now.
Mm-hmm. I get a line of sight because it's not really dark enough. It's probably getting it on camera, but
we need to go further. Maybe that hill.
No, I mean I can't tell if I'm getting it good on the camera.
Probably have to step out.